Wait, you don't have your taxes done yet. Don't panic. You can actually get more time without paying a penalty. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to file a tax extension quickly, easily, and for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kamral Hassan, and today we're talking about something that can save you a lot of stress. How to file for a tax extension, whether you're running late, missing documents, or just forgot. No worries. Filing an extension is simple, and I'm going to explain it in the easiest way possible. So, let's get started. First of all, what's a tax extension? It's basically extra time given by the government to file your tax return. It doesn't mean you don't have to pay any tax you owe right now, but it gives you more time to complete the paperwork without a penalty for late filing. In most places like the US, you can get up to 6 extra months to file your taxes. You don't have all your income documents yet. You were too busy or forgot. You had unexpected personal issues. You need more time to find a tax professional. And the best part, filing an extension is free and easy. Now, let's talk about how you can actually do it. 1. Use IRS Free File for US taxpayers. Go to irs.gov and look for the free file option. It's simple, and you can file your extension online in just a few minutes. 2. Use tax software or apps. Most popular tax software like TurboTax, H&R Block, or TaxAct offer an easy option to file an extension. You just log in, answer a few questions, and submit the form electronically. 3. Mail Form 4868 for US taxpayers. If you like the old school way, you can download Form 4868, fill it out, and mail it to the IRS. Just remember, it must be postmarked by the tax deadline. 4. For other countries, if you're not in the US, check your country's tax website. Many places offer online tax extension forms too. An extension gives you more time to file your tax return, not more time to pay. If you owe taxes, you still need to pay by the original deadline to avoid interest or penalties. You can estimate your tax payment and pay it online when you file for the extension. And that's it. Super simple, right? So, if you're feeling the pressure of tax deadlines, don't worry. File that extension today, and give yourself more time to get everything organized properly. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy money and tax tips, and drop a comment below if you have any tax questions. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.